My name is Joshua Jaros. I'm from Magnolia, Texas. And I just want to briefly testify on the family court system. Of course, you guys are hearing a lot of stories here today. And like many have said, it's really just the tip of the iceberg. The Office of Court Administration said that since the Texas Family Code in its current form was passed, that modifications are up over 400%. And there's a reason for that. The laws do need to be changed. But I'm finding that the courts and the judges are taking advantage of the system and really are in cahoots with the lawyers at this point. And I realize you guys got some folks from the Bar Association on this organization. And I realize you guys have your hands tied on exactly what you can and cannot do. This is a difficult situation. We have a lot of parents that are losing their relationships with their children, and they're good parents. These are parents that have committed no crimes. And when you go through the family court system, the public, the parents, are losing confidence in our judiciary. I can tell you right now, my confidence in the family court system is at a zero. I have zero confidence going into any family court system. And I frequently tell parents, look, the odds are stacked against you. You do what you can. You hope for the best. But there is no recourse once you go through the family court system. And a lot of people say, well, you can always appeal. Well, there's a problem with that. The standard for an appeal has to be on such a level that is so egregious. And what's being done in the family courts, it has the appearance of legality. It looks like the judges are doing the right thing, but they're not. You know, it's hard to prove that in a court of appeals. And if you go to the Supreme Court, well, your chances of getting a case heard are pretty much null. Right now, we're looking at the destruction of the family, and I'm going to encourage you all in this committee. I realize your hands are tied. The number of family court cases I know that you all see are overwhelming. You have said so before in some of these hearings that you just can't get to everything. You only meet so many times a year. You guys are getting overwhelmed with family court cases. Send a letter to the House of Representatives. Send a letter to the governor. This is something that you guys can do and say, look, we're seeing a level of family court cases coming through our system. Could somebody look into it? We are working to get the laws changed, but we need everybody on board. You know, it said all that is good, all that it takes for evil to triumph is for good men to do nothing. Y'all are hearing these court cases. You're all hearing about what's happening to our children, that we can't see them through these family court cases because it's based on profit. Help us out. Don't leave this hearing now and not do anything. Send a letter. You all as a group can do that. You
Mr. Jaros, that's 3 minutes. I just invite you to wrap it up.
All right. I thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir, for your comment.